A parallelogram has area of 180 square feet. The ratio of base to height is 5:4. Find both dimensions. That would be base and height. All right, so it says a parallelogram has an area of 180 square feet. The ratio of base to height is 4:5. We're looking for two answers, both dimensions here, all right? So the question is, how do we go about getting that? Ratio is important. The fact we're talking about area is important. So let's look at this problem. Let's take a look at this problem and see what's going on. 180 is an important moment here. It's square feet. That is our area, folks. Right there is our area. We have a ratio of base to height, which is 4:5. So what we've got to remember is, how does base and height, how does base height work for area? All right. And we did triangles yesterday, which was like 1/2 base height. And some people think, wow, is area of a parallelogram the same thing as a triangle? Actually, the triangle is half the parallelogram. So the truth of the matter is, this one's relatively easy, by the way. We're going to say this area of the parallelogram, I'm going to say is equal to the base times the height. So that's pretty easy, or base times altitude, for those of you like the A word, all right? Now, with what's going on here, the big A equaling B times H, we are going to say, does that mean 4 times 5? Well, 4 times 5 gives you 20, not 180. So there's something going on here. So here's the deal. We're going to use this ratio fact. And what we're going to do, we're going to make that 4:5. We're going to make it translate to 4x to 5x. All right. We're going to put an x on there. It could be a y. It could be any number, any variable you want. But the idea is we're going to multiply 4 by something and 5 by that same something. We just don't know what they are yet. Okay. But here's the deal. This will be our base. This will be our height. According to that, the base to height is 4:5. So that's 4x to 5x. So what are we going to do? We're not going to add them. Some of you are already going out there, oh, we'll get 9x. No, we won't. Let's see what happens. Let's put our a in. Let's put our 4x and a 5x right in there. We're going to multiply those together. And by the way, we know what a is, don't we? We do know. That's 180. That's a good, important moment. All right. And on this other side here, how about it? 4x times 5x. 4 times 5 does give us 20. And folks, another moment of be careful. This is Ernie Roberts telling you to do this. X times x will give you x squared. Don't leave the squared off. That's important. All right. So here we go. Now we're ready to do a little solving on this problem. We're ready to figure out what to do. We're going to divide both sides by 20. Both sides by 20. And what this does for us, wow, 20 divides into 180. Look at that 2 going into 18, goes 9 times, and the zeros cancel. That was pretty easy. And the 20s say goodbye to them. So basically, it looks like 9 equals to x squared. All right, 9 equals x squared. So we've got to take square root of both sides because we want to know about x. We're not really concerned with what x squared does for us, all right? So let's do a square root moment. Square root moment both sides. And you know what? We've got an x on the right. And you go plus or minus 3 on the left, but we're talking lengths and bases and heights. We need the positive version. So we're going to take 3 as our value. You say, well, is that the answer? Is answer 3 and something? No. The answer is going to be right back up here. Let's go right here, right up here, and let's put 4 times 3, and let's put 5 times 3 right there, because we're going to say multiply, and we'll get the numbers we're looking for. Folks, your values look to be 12 and 15. 12 and 15. So which is which? Well, the base is bigger, isn't it? Nope, not this time. The base is a little bit smaller. So 12 is the base. There's your height. So there's the base. There's the height. And life is good. Does it check? 12 times 15? Bang, 180. So you go from feet. By the way, these are both in feet. And that gets you to square feet when you run the area. Okay?
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.